Now, we will discuss the use of global variables and the function n-phi. Defining the global variable x equals 10, y equals 20. This section defines two global variables x and y with values 10 and 20 respectively. Defining function def a number open parenthesis and close parenthesis global z equals x plus y print sum z. Def multiply numbers open parenthesis and close parenthesis global product equals x times y print product and product. Def calculate average close parenthesis and open parenthesis global average and average equal x plus y and divide 2 print average column average. These sections defines three functions: add numbers open parenthesis and close parenthesis, calculate the sum of x and y and assign it to the global variable z. Multiply numbers open parenthesis and close parenthesis, calculates the product of x and y and assign it to the global variables product. Calculate average open parenthesis and close parenthesis, calculate the average of x and y and assign it to the global variable average. The global keyword is used to declare z, product, and average as a global variable. Calling function or call function. Add numbers open parenthesis and close parenthesis, multiple numbers open parenthesis and close parenthesis, calculate average open parenthesis and close parenthesis. This section calls the tree function, which is execute the respective operations and print the result. Printing global variable. Print global variable column, print x and x, print y, then y, print z, then z, print product, then product, print average, then average. This section print the values of the global variable. So, this is the output of this code.